Okay, this is a video tutorial, okay, with regards to SketchUp web. Alright, so if let's say you already created your own account, what you can do, alright, click home, and then let us just create new. Okay, from here, alright, you will need to choose the dimension. Okay, of course we are not going to use feet and inches. Right, we will try to use meters because we are going to create, okay, a bigger object. Alright, so choose under the simple template, choose meters. Okay, and what you will have will be your screen, which looks something like this, with this woman standing, okay, holding a handphone. Alright, so what you need to do is just select, okay, right click, hold, and then drag. Once you selected, you can, okay, delete this woman by, okay, clicking on the delete button on your keyboard. Okay, to position your screen, okay, somewhere in the middle, this axis, okay, which is the X, Y, and Z axis. Okay, the X will be the green one, the Y will be the blue one, and the Z axis will be the red one. Okay, so you can use, alright, the pen tool, which is located right at the bottom of your screen over here, left, okay, bottom of your screen. Click on this icon and you'll be given, okay, 5 options. So let us just use the pen tool, or if you want to, you can actually use this, okay, zoom extend. So what you need to do is just click on it and it will position, okay, your axis right in the middle of the screen. Okay, first thing that you need to do is, okay, choose the rectangle tools over here. Okay, the first one, which is on top, okay, just put in, alright, your pencil tool or the icon, okay, the line icon, right in the middle of the axis intersection, or what we call the origin. Okay, click, okay, and then just drag. Okay, while you're at it, okay, what you can do is just type in, okay, 20, 20. So if it's in meters, it will be 20 meters by 20 meters. Okay, it's going to be quite big, but it's okay. Alright, we are just learning how to input the dimension. Okay, once you have already input the dimension, what you need to do is just press enter. Okay, and you should see, okay, your image there. Alright, again, to position it right in the middle, again, what you need to do is choose these tools over here, okay, which is right at the bottom of your bottom left of your screen, and then again click on zoom extend. Okay, and what you need to do is, okay, click on the orbit tool over here to actually position it back. Okay. You can zoom in and zoom out, okay, by using the scroller on your mouse. Okay, I think that should be good. Okay, what we are going to do next is we are going to use, okay, the push pull tool over here. Click on it, choose the first one, which is right on top, okay, and then position it on your image that you already created. Okay, bring it up. Okay, if you want to put in the dimension, you can, so just type in 20 and then press enter. Okay, you can zoom out if you want to. Okay, and then you can position it again so that you can see the whole thing, which is in the middle. Next, we are going to use the line tool over here. Okay, we are just going to draw a line across like that. Okay, so what you need to do is, okay, remember, we are using the red line axis over here. So when you draw a line, okay, if let's say you don't see a red line, it means that it is slanted. Okay, it have to be straight, okay, from left to right. So what you need to do is make sure that it is put on the edge. Okay, position it somewhere around here, click once, drag it to the other side. You can see that there's a red line there, and then when you touch the other side of, okay, the line over there, which is on edge, click and then let go. Okay, once you have already done that, you will see a black line. Okay, we are going to erase off or delete off the bottom part of the screen. So what we're going to do is, okay, we are going to click the push and pull button. Okay, choose it. This time around, what you need to do is click, left click, and then push. Okay, push all the way until you reach the midpoint, the other end, and then click. Alright, what you will see is, alright, if let's say you're using your orbit tool over here, you can see that this object is somewhat floating. Okay, now we are going to create the leg of your chair. Okay, so again we are going to use the rectangle tools, click on it. Okay, and again we are going to make a square. Alright, so what is the dimension? Okay, maybe we can do it as 5. Okay, comma 5. That will be 1. The other one will be 5, comma 5. Enter. And then again 5, comma 5. Enter. Last but not least, this part is 5, comma 5. Okay, so you will have 4 equal size, okay, a square, right? Okay, now we are going to extend it down. Use your push pull tool over here. Okay, click downward. Okay, how far you can put it as 10 if you want to. Okay, later on we can do some adjustment. Okay, so if let's say if you want to have the same length, what you need to do is just click, pull it down, and then move your cursor to the other side. Okay, the one that you already created just now. Click on it, then let go. Do the same thing to the next 2 legs over here. You can use this as your guide, or you can even use this one. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, click and let it go. Okay, if let's say you want to see more clearly the other side, use your orbit tool. Okay, orbit tool is this one. Alright, and then choose your push pull button. Click on it. Okay, position it onto the square just now, pull it down, and then move your cursor to the other side of the leg. Click once and then let go. Alright, so you have, okay, chunky looking leg. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, this is just an exercise. Later on you can, okay, make it much better. Okay, this is just an exercise for you. Alright, again, because we are going to draw a line across, and we will want to know, okay, the size of, okay, the backrest. Yeah, so if let's say if I were to follow the leg over here, okay, I can do this. Alright, just click at the edge over here, bring it up, click once, and then go to the other side, click once, and then join it. Okay, and we are going to extend this up. How do we do that? If you can still remember, use the push pull button over here, click on it, bring it up. How far? Okay, maybe we can put it as 12. Right, and then enter. Okay, in terms of the dimension, right, I'm just giving you it's not actually a guideline. I leave it to you. Okay, you can, you know, eyeball it to see and then make a bit of okay, guesstimation, alright, whether, okay, it looks nice or not. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to make a curve for the backrest. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to use the line tool over here, and I want to get the, okay, midpoint. Okay, meaning that, okay, the top and the bottom half should be about the same length. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just move it along this line until, okay, I see this blue dot. Click once, click left, left click on your mouse. Okay, extend it to the other side until you see the other blue dot, which is at the midpoint. Click once and then let go. Alright, so the bottom and the bottom and the top part will be equal. The next thing that I want to do is I'm going to create a curve, or the arc. So I'm going to choose the second one, which is the 2-point arc. Okay, click on it. Okay, you will see this line as a guideline. Okay, click on the edge on end point, and then go to the other side, click again, and then what you need to do is, okay, bring it up, okay, until you touch the other end point. Okay, and we are going to delete off this top part over here. Use your push pull button, push it all the way, and then the other side. You're done. Okay, so I'm going to do another arc on the corner over here. but I am going to make sure that alright, I have the same size, okay, as what we have for the leg. Okay, again what I'm going to do is click on the line button over here, click at the edge here, bring it up. Okay, and then what I need to do is just position it at the end point and then bring it to the other end. Okay, remember, if let's say if it's black like this, it means it is slanted. It have to be either green or red. Okay, the line. So if I touch on the edge point over there, I just click once and then let go. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do the same thing but this time around the other way around. Yeah. Okay, so let me just position it properly. Okay, use my pencil tool over here, click once, bring it up. You can see it's blue because I'm using the blue axis which is going upward. Okay, now it should be green because I'm using the one on the green axis. Okay, same thing goes over here. You will see there's a blue line, okay, because it's going upward, and then this one, I'm going to use the green axis, and then click on. Right, so I'm going to position it properly again. Zoom in a bit. You know how to zoom in, right? Okay, use your scroller on your mouse, and we are going to use the two point arc, sorry. Click it, and then what you need to do is click on this point, and then the other side need to do is make sure that it's on the surface, not this way. If not, it's going to actually go upward, so make sure that it is on the surface. Okay, so how much do you want to actually extend? It depends. Okay, for mine I think it's about 1.3. Okay, I think that should be okay. If let's say if I want to type in also, I can 1.3 and then enter, so that I have a guide for the next one. Okay, so again I'm going to use the 2-point arc. Click over here and then the other side, and then 1.3, enter. Okay, so what happens is that I can just eliminate this part of the leg by using the push and pull button. Click over here and then bring it down. Okay, and then the other side. What we can do is so that it's right in the middle. Maybe I just use the pen tool over here so that I can see it a bit more clearer. Okay, choose the push pull button and then click this portion and then push it down. Okay, so there you go. Alright, okay, so I will just use again my orbit tool and to take a look if everything is okay. Okay, but what I want to do is that I am going to actually do something to the backrest, some additional stuff. Alright, so I'm going to delete off this. Okay, so how do you delete? You can use the eraser tool, click on it and then just position it onto the line, click on it and it will disappear. Okay, all this we don't need already. Okay, we are going to click it off, to clean it up. Right, so what we are going to do is the next one, we are going to use the offset tool. So where is it? Okay, you will need to look at the push pull button over here, the one right at the bottom. Okay, offset. Okay, sometimes you may select something like this, so you may have already forgotten where is your push pull button. So just remember, right? Okay, it will be 2, 4, 6, alright, from the bottom, and 7 from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Okay, click on it and then use the offset button, position it on the backrest, just click and then extend a bit. Okay, just drag, click and then drag. You'll see the offset tool working like this. So just click once. Okay, what can you do? You can use the push pull button, which is here again, then you can just pull it all the way, until you see this some weird effect. It tell you that okay, that particular part over there will be eliminated. Okay, just click once. Alright, so what you will have, it will look something like this. Okay, if you want to just leave it hollow, you can. If not, what you can do is you can add on to something. Or in fact, if let's say if you don't want it to be, you know, too big in terms of the space over here, choose your push pull button. You can bring this up, something like that if you want to. Okay. And then maybe you want to have a hole somewhere around here. Just again draw the line downwards. Okay, again because we are using the y-axis. Okay, so make sure it's blue in color. And then over here, okay, we can use the rectangle tools. Okay, just eyeball it. Okay, no need to be accurate lah. Okay, just do something like that. Okay, what happened is that now you can actually delete off this center part of it. So click and then just push it towards the back. Okay, so you can see that. Alright, you have a nice looking backrest. Okay, so you can clear off some of the line if it's not necessary. Okay, that's it. Yeah, so if let's say if you want to save your work, what you can do is just click on save over here. Alright, and it will give you this SketchUp folder. Click on it and make sure that you enter the name. Alright, for this one is maybe I just put in chair demo. Okay, and then click on save. Alright, so wait for a while, then it will save for you. Okay, it will say save when it's done. Yeah, like this. Now the next thing that I want you to do is to export this to STL format. So how can you do that? Okay, click on this three line. Okay, export it. Okay, you will see the export. Okay, here click on STL. Okay, what happens is that it will save into your folder, your laptop folder. Okay, it will not save into the your SketchUp account. Okay, so what you can do is make sure that you know where it is. Sometimes you can save under document, or maybe sometimes it will actually save under the download folder, depending on where you want to save it. Alright, so if let's say you have this, make sure that the end of it must be .stl. Okay, so save as type will be STL file. Okay, so if this is done, just click on save. Okay, that's it. So good luck. Hopefully you can try this out. Okay, and I will see you the next lesson. Bye bye.